Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's find out together. Life. There are only two ways to live your life. One is through nothing is a miracle. The other as though everything is a miracle. Albert Einstein. Go on a walk. Be grateful for the miracles around you and name all the miracles around you. A person who dares waste 1 hour of time has not discovered the value of life. Charles Darwin. Time is our most valuable asset. How can you make the most of the time given to you? All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick blue. Control how you respond to things sent to destroy your peace. Going with the flow does not mean you sit back passively and expect everything to work out. Going with the flow means you don't cause yourself stress by fighting changes that are out of your control. I am my own master. I hold the answers within me. My energy is limitless. Major life change. Time is right for major life changes as a new lifestyle or a new location brings great joy and trouble-free existence. Helping humanity is also a conscious choice to help yourself. Let the wrap of cloth untwine. Let thought flow with breath. And the last one today. I control my thoughts and feelings. I act with integrity and grace. All right, thanks for stopping by.